Jalapeno dressing ass nigga.
Damn pepper.
Flower pot dressing ass nigga.
Sauerkraut teeth ass.
Funyuns dressing ass nigga. I get Harry on pump 3. I said Harry on pump 3.
What on pump 3?
I said Harry on the 3. Never mind. You good organic gummy bear dressing ass nigga. I said, what are you going? Rebecca. Pull up your pants, man. You ain't no gangster. Pull your motherfucking pants up, I get on your ass. If I see another air mattress jacket, I was going to fall. I said if I see another air mattress jacket, I was going to fall out. This jacket is called the PJ. What aisle is the cigarettes on? What aisle is the cigarettes on?
Cigarettes?
Yeah.
Cigarettes? We
Yeah.
have cigarettes here. Around the corner, those are Friday. They have cigarettes.
Okay. Well, do you have a cigarette?
A cigarette?
Yeah.
No, I don't
Do
have
you?
one.
You don't smoke?
I do, but I don't have one.
Oh, okay. Well, let me ask you one question. Can I get a cigarette?
No.
Okay, thank you so much. And she asked, the same color as the jeans shirt, ass.